Alleged wrong-way driver is in custody tonight after hitting a car and then driving off. Take a look at the scene earlier today near I-19 and Sahuarita. Now this is where the state troopers caught up to the alleged wrong-way driver. DPS officials tell us the pursuit started on I-10 close to where it merges with I-19. We're told the suspect took off after striking a car while going the wrong way on an off-ramp. We're told also the suspect, along with a person in the other car that was hit, were injured in the crash, but both are expected to be okay.